Hi there, if you've clicked onto this video, then you must be a fan of music in general or a fan of Maurice Kirya. Well, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing and reacting to Maurice Kirya's new song titled Sejjiga. It's his new release and I'm pretty much impressed with it. Sejjiga literally means flu or a cold, as you may prefer to call it. A little bit about Maurice Kirya for those who do not know him. He's a musician and artist from Uganda, and he's released a couple of songs that I have personally liked. He's also an actor. He has starred in movies like Queen of Katwe, Last King of Scotland. For those who haven't seen that movie, please go check it out. I've also seen him in a movie called The Girl in the Yellow Jumper. I've loved this movie to bits. It's showing on Netflix. So you could also follow him on his socials: YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. I think he's also active there, and Instagram. But for now, let's concentrate on his new single, Sejjiga. Let me play it right now. I actually like his outfit. He's putting on yellow and it is blending on well with the background of the walls. And I see he's seated in front of two mirrors in front of him. This creates a very impressive set piece. Well, let's play the song. I actually love how this song starts, the way he's playing the guitar at the beginning, but in the background I'm only hearing piano keys. Probably he's going to be playing the guitar as the song goes on forward. So let's take a listen.
Owuliranga kayimba kano nkubira.
Oh, I am loving his vocals. He's a perfectionist at soul music, so if you're loving soul music, this is a guy to listen to, especially from Uganda. Now, I will be translating a little bit of the lyrics. He begins by saying, if you listen to this song, please call me. So I believe this is a message to his loved one, or the person. I believe this is a message to his loved one. And for those who do not know the language he's singing Luganda, which is the most spoken language in Uganda, second to English. So I got you on that.
Nze gwe waganza ne weerabira. Ombuulira ng'ekigendererwa.
Wow, Kirya. Oh my, I'm loving your music. I am loving your music. Wow, this is pretty cool. It is very relaxing. It's actually a sad song, but very, very, the way he sings it makes you forget a little bit that it's a sad song. He's actually saying that oh my, if you ever listen to this song, make sure you call me, please. And also let me know what plans you had or what mission you had before you left.
Wandekera Sejjiga n'ogenda. Omubiri gwonna akabugumu kewalina. Gwe wajjako akateete aka kiragala.
Kirya, very smooth. That was very smooth. So he's like it's like he has memories of his past lover, memories of her wearing a green dress and how warm her body was when they were together. This is pretty smooth. Now I'm actually thinking that if this song actually had subtitles, on the video, it would probably get more views, because listening to it, and I know you could still listen to a song and don't know what it means, but you still vibe to it. But if it had subtitles, there are plenty of people out there who have to know the meaning of a particular song. I've listened to some of the big songs out there, and they have subtitles written on the video, meaning someone can translate it to their particular language and still understand what they mean, love the song, and even love it more. Anyways, let's play the song.
Okuzukuka nendaba ebbaluwa wandekera Sejjiga n'ogenda.
So it's like waking up and seeing a letter. You left me with flu, or you left me with a cold and left. So probably the particular person he's referring to left on short notice and hasn't yet come back. So I can see the lady in the studio is also vibing to the song. She's loving it, and wow, impressing. Kirya, kudos to you, man. Kudos to you. I love your song.
Ofisanga kukate nonjalira, ofisanga kukate nonjalira, ofisanga kukate nonjalira.
Oh man, I'm loving. This must be the chorus. He's literally saying, spare some time and come visit me. Spare some time and come visit me. Wow. Tell me, guys, if you're watching this video and loving it, make sure you go to Maurice Kirya's YouTube channel, subscribe to it, follow him on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Just follow him. His music is great. You will fall in love with his music. And he actually has a concert coming up soon in September, so make sure you buy your tickets in advance to avoid any inconveniences. So let's get back to the song. I'm loving this song. Fisanga kukade nonchalira. It is titled Sejjiga. For those who don't know what Sejjiga is and you're just joining the video right now, it literally means flu or a cold.
Ofisanga kukate nonchalira.
Ofisanga kukade nonchalira. So we have two ladies sitting right here. I think they are meditating. They are also taking their lamp on their head. I really love the way Maurice Kirya passes this.
Oh, uliranga kayimba kano koma wo.
So if you ever listen to this song, come back. So I'm imagining someone saying, oh, or sending you a song, and they're like, if you ever listen to this song, please come back to me. So that's the message.
Musiche muchiroto chino koma wo.
So I think it's like a nightmare having someone and they leave, so you still don't believe they've left, so you're in shock, probably a nightmare. So you're like, if you ever listen to this song, please come back and get me out of this dream, get me out of this nightmare. Very creative, should I say poetic? I love your music, Kirya.
Undeteranga nendaba amasoko amawomu wandekera Sejjiga n'ogenda. Ofisanga kukate nonchalira, ofisanga kukate nonchalira, ofisanga kukate nonchalira.
Guys, sing along to this chorus. Very simple, simply saying ofisanga kukade nonchalira. Ofisanga kukade means spare some time, and nonchalira, visit me. Ofisanga kukade nonchalira, spare some time and visit me. Thank you, Maurice Kirya, for this song. Now, in case I'm going to be downloading this song and creating an SRT file for subtitles for this song, for this particular song, so that I don't know how to get this SRT file to him, but I will try my best anyway. I'll just create the SRT file. All he has to do is go to his YouTube studio, upload the SRT file. All the timestamps will be created in there, so the viewers can understand what he was saying in their own particular languages. Kudos, Kirya.
Ofisanga kukate nonjalira. Ofisanga kukate nonjalira. Ofisanga kukate nonjalira. Ofisanga kukate nonjalira. Bamukuzanya jirote.
Stop playing games. Come back. So I think the person has taken long without going back to see their better half. And yeah, like don't waste time. I love the fact that they have backup artists in the background, voices in the background. They add value to the song.
Bamukuzanya jirote. Tomala bisera. Tomala bisera.
Production is awesome. The production is awesome. Directed by Maurice Kirya. Guys, go check Maurice Kirya out. Let me show you his YouTube. Make sure you subscribe. I'm subscribing personally. Follow him on Instagram. He has Instagram, he has Apple Music, he has Spotify, and a website. Let's check out his website right now. So he's got his website linked to his oh, what a pin. So Kirya, you have a website linked to your YouTube channel and it's not working, so please, you need to fix that. Otherwise, I love your music, I love what you do, and keep representing. Thank you. Otherwise, also guys who have been watching this video from the beginning to the end, I appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in my next video.